Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is kind of a follow-up video of something I posted a couple of months ago. It's about the ConStands Smart Moto Mover, the one that you see behind me. And I wanted to show you in this video how easy or how difficult it is to kind of move your motorcycle around in more narrow spaces. Now this is a Road King Special that weighs about 380 kilograms, so it makes it really heavy. But the ConStands Smart Moto Mover can carry bikes up to, I think, 450 kilograms. Just make sure that when you drive your bike on it, the wheels are positioned in this direction. It's just easier that way. So it's fairly easy. You just have to know exactly how to manipulate your motorcycle. In this case, it's pretty heavy though. Thanks for watching. We'll see each other in the next one.